Okay, Baker Bears, I'm more excited than ever. I've been watching the OK Go video with the Rube Goldberg machine, and everything in it has the 4 tricks that we've been talking about for the past month. The track and trigger, a new favorite is the cardboard. You'll find when the track is flat, it's very easy to bend. But if you bend up the rails on the side, now it's really tough to bend. Makes a great, strong, sturdy track. And then remember, you put a trigger on there. The trigger could be as simple as just a pencil that you knock out of the way. Even better, paper clip tied to a string that pushes through. Pulls the pin, release it. Tower twister, super easy to make. It's just an old water bottle, water inside to make it heavy for support. And I didn't have a tube, so I just rolled up cereal box and boom, slides right on top. Paper clips for weights, piece of string tied to the top. Wrap it up. The pencil or something similar to hold it in place. Just knock it out of the way. Tower twister, so easy. The slapper is just a cylinder with some kind of weight taped in there, in this case a battery, and then on the outside we tape something like a fork, and then whoosh. You can make the slapper as big as you want. It's just a coffee container and some more batteries and a ruler or a paint stir and a fork. Whoosh. Here we have the tower twister, connected to the anchor yanker, connected to the slapper. Here's all 4 tricks put together. My hand's a trigger in this case. There's the anchor yanker and the slapper.